Unraveling the meaning of turn one's stomach. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might come across in books, movies, or everyday conversations. Turn one's stomach. Understanding such phrases can enrich your language skills and help you express yourself more vividly. Let's explore what this phrase means, how to use it, and some examples to clear up any confusion. The phrase, turn one's stomach, is used to describe a strong feeling of disgust or revulsion. When something is so unpleasant or offensive that it makes you feel physically sick, this is the expression you would use. It's important to note that this feeling is not always literal. It doesn't mean you will actually get sick, but rather that you feel a deep sense of disgust. This expression can be used in both formal and informal contexts, but it's more commonly found in informal speech and writing. You can use it when you want to express that something is extremely displeasing to you. For example, witnessing something gross, smelling a foul odor, or even hearing an idea that you find morally repugnant can all turn your stomach. Let's put the phrase into action with some examples. The thought of eating raw fish turns my stomach. I just can't stomach the idea. Watching the horror movie was so gruesome it turned her stomach. The corruption in politics these days is enough to turn anyone's stomach. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to different situations, emphasizing the speaker's strong negative reaction. Understanding phrases like turn one's stomach can add depth to your English communication, allowing you to express feelings of disgust or revulsion vividly. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of this expression for you. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use it when the situation calls for it. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.